सावधान
as well. Yeah,
हमारी टीम थोड़ी सी डिप्रेशन में.
big matchup against Rupesh Salunke. First point taken up. Right, that key battle we talk about. It's 1 to Prashant Jadhav. Ready, right, and Raj Acharya, of course, will come in, will go in and attack those. Prashant Jadhav, he wants to go and attack, kicks and takes off the right corner.
1 point, right.
Fabulous.
Just number 9
and I think there was a little miscoordination there from Jaipur policeman. And speak of Aniket Mitake, he's been hand touched. Nice low hand touch on that occasion.
बढ़िया अटैक, अच्छा अटैक वहां से आया. अनुराग सिंह इस बार बिल्कुल वो क्लियर टच था. पिछली
I think they need a bright start and now in a do-or-die raid. Wow, initiation was from the left cover.
अब सुपर टैकल की परिस्थितियां हैं. प्रशांत जाधव इस सुपर टैकल की परिस्थितियों में क्या किक लगा.
As a left cover defender, my God, this is not what Mumbai Shahar wanted to start off with. Yeah, 2 quick reviews shows what the intensity is in the eliminator. What did he do? He went in for the hand touch, then slept in the lobby. He did not slip. He slept. Oh.
गलत डायल.
I also really did not understand what was he trying to do.
बोनस पॉइंट्स है ही दिया गया है रेफरी से द्वारा. अब अनिकेत ताकि वहां पर आए रेड लगाने के लिए. अनिकेत लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पर टो टच की उम्मीदें की है, वहां पर जरा उर मना कर रहे हैं प्रणव इंदुल
for Raj Jangam.
खड़ा किया गया है वहां पर.
Why do you think I asked that exact question on Sandeep Kalagaon? Why called Adi Tallubadi sale that happens every time? Adi Masa means nobody will come to shop. They will not go ahead and waste money in shopping. The tackle, there is no diving, ankle hold that is coming. Forget the numbers. He says, you know, yes, he might be the top second defender, but the dash attempt from Ajay Gurav.
Wait.
Yeah, they will ask the poor from Mumbai. 7 officials. Mumbai Shahar has got 7 points. Their tackle success rate is very low. And again a kick. Now
आचार्य हैं वहां पर, बट यहाँ डू और डाई रेड है. प्रणिल मात्रे डू और डाई रेड में यहाँ पर अनुराग सिंह को पकड़ पाएंगे नहीं. नवीन ये आसान.
They've got points in most of the raids. Pranil Matre will not get anything and he will be tackled out as well. Nice ankle hold that has been executed on that left corner defense. I wonder where was Raj More. Maybe he stepped out of the end line behind him. That's also a contention. Rupesh Salunke comes in, attacks Prashant. Anurag Singh. Oh, because of Rupesh Salunke's attack, the right cover also went in.
10 अंकों का अंतर हो चुका है. राज आचार्य नवीन ये बॉकलाइन के इर्द गिर्द खेलते हैं. यहाँ पर क्या ये डैश है या फिर राज आचार्य.
12 to Mumbai Shahar.
Change the court.
At least 13 to 14. Yeah, 13.
संग्राम महाफिन. मुझे लगता है इस बार ओमकार पूरे अंदर.
Aniket Mitake in that left corner because Rupesh Salunke is out on the bench. Omkar Pure, why? And in between the muscles that's behind your knee. So that ligament.
शुरुआती साथ में उतारना चाहिए था, खिलाना चाहिए था. अगर वो फिट ही नहीं तो शुरुआती 10 मिनट उन्हें क्यों मैट पर रखा. क्या कोच साहब कुछ अलग तरीके से सोच रहे हैं. मात्र न किसी को टच पर कर पाए और न किसी डिफेंडर ने उनको टच किया. लग रहा था कि यहाँ पर कुछ गलतियां हो सकती है. गलतियां हुई है. वैभव मोरे ने वहां पर आकर बिल्कुल सेंटर जोन से दो.
Anurag Singh and Arshit, he went in so deep he did not attempt a bonus point. But that's a bad way of raiding. Has he got a touch point? My God, Raigad have no.
यहाँ पर दिखलाना पड़ेगा, पूरी तरह से कर्मबद्ध होकर इस रेड में प्रयास करना पड़ेगा. आसान टच.
Revived Raj Acharya back. Ankle hold now. Rupesh Salunke. Oh, is okay, but still a couple of points. Prashant Jadhav has got Ajay Gurav.
2 points.
बढ़िया.
Need to take the game until there. And now Aniket Mitake once again. This is Raj More. Does not attack him well, and there you see that aggressive in the defense of Raigad. Oh, turn the pitch.
Rocky success.
And why are they complaining against each other? My God, another do-or-die needs to stay on the mat as long as possible. Oh, backtracking skills doesn't work as a raider. You had to reach the lobby and get through. Oh God.
जरूरी हो जाता है क्योंकि लॉबी वहां ज्यादा अवेलेबल थी नहीं, बट अनुराग आज ये और इनके डू और डाई की कहानी वो अलग रही, क्योंकि 6.25 वहां पर शेष बचे। टो टच, बढ़िया सोच, बढ़िया कार्य वहां पर, और यही कहा था संदीप साहब ने कि राइट कॉर्नर पर एक और रेड में सक्सेसफुल मिल पाएगा अनुराग सिंह को। डू और डाई है, इससे पहले 4 डू और डाई रेड पॉइंट्स में, 4 डू और डाई पॉइंट
एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेड फॉर मुंबई शहर। Oh my god, hang on, what's the decision? What is the decision? Raja as on the upside down angle, and there Rajacharya, whatever he promised his coach is delivered.
अंतिम 2 मिनट।
These 3 points can be wiped off in one raid like this. Rajacharya knows to order raid points. Rajacharya just can bless all the very best to that defender who came to the attack. What happened here? Oh my god! And this is the all out, is it? Wow! I was just saying you've just blessed him, but Mumbai Shahar Sandeep Kalagaonkar now says, Rajacharya, you superstar.
नवीन, जो गलती रत्नागिरी ने की थी, जो गलती अंक ले गए, 3 अंकों की बढ़त अब मुंबई शहर के पास है, जिसमें 1 पॉइंट जरूर रायगढ़ को मिला है नवीन, पर अब मुंबई शहर के रेडर आएंगे। मस्त का ट्राई मत करने देना उन्हें। ये देखिए एक प्लेयर आएंगे, अभी भी एक रेड और होगी दोस्त।
Why so soon? Why all? Rajacharya, I'm sure he will take away points though, but there as he crossed it, they don't have a review to check this out, and he crosses the back line. It's a super raid, that's it, it's all over. Mumbai Shahar have qualified for the next match, and Raigad have been eliminated. The first half looked like a super raid.
कहते हैं जहां पर सपने बनाए जाते हैं।
He has got the stick. He was very strict. That is